Hello, good morning, and I have Floofy here. Sorry. I know you like to see the look. Petrol. I'm gonna do that so I can actually see. I'm at that, do I grow out my fringe thing or do I not? You know, the awkward, like where it's there. Anyways, I don't want to hate any viewers. Good morning again. Right. It is Monday. It's a new week. And what a glorious week it shall be. For no particular reason. Just that, you know, why not? Let's decide to have a glorious week, shall we? Okay. On Saturday, I was a busy bumblebee. And I did 75 listings. So I've done my week of listings. I've done up until Saturday night. So that's good. It means that I can do this week what I want, which I do anyway. Non-negotiables, people, thank you. It is winter. And the sads are coming in. Yeah, so I've done my listing for the week. I know I'm gonna have a day hanging out with Alana and stuff and chat with the ladies and then some other stuff, which is cool. And I obviously need to get back into swimming and things because tub. But yeah, it's gonna be a good week. My sort of plan for the week is to start loading up my Etsy shop again. It has been over a year since I put any new listings on Etsy, so it's about time. And obviously I've got some really nice things to put on there. I was doing a little bit of personal shopping for Lainey last night for a gift for someone. And I was like, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. And I was like, bloody hell, I've got some really nice bits that like unlisted. So I'm gonna start putting some of the nice silver bits on my Etsy store. So look out. And also if anybody else wants some like personal shopping doing, you know, that's one of the raffle prizes that I'm gonna do for the 90s weekend for Lainey's raffle. Which I'll try and remember to put the link to underneath this. But yeah, one of the prizes I'm donating is I'm gonna do a little mystery box of jewellery for you for the winner of curated things. So you tell me the kind of things that you like, or you know, you're looking for a present for someone, you know, Christmas gifts and stuff, and I'll try and put together like a little mystery box of stuff. So that's quite exciting because I like doing things like that as well. Yay. And you know, it's for charity, for Mind. So I have got 19 things going out this morning. So that is from Sunday and sort of Saturday evening-ish. So that's not too bad. And I've already had some nice sales this morning. I had a very nice sale last night, which is going over to America. And I'm really chuffed with that sale. And I'll show you in a bit. And yeah, groovy. Anyways, I'm gonna have my coffee and a slice of toast because as you can see, I'm still not back on the keto because when you're sad you crave carbs, innit? I'm trying not to be sad. Anyways, I'll be back in a bit. Let's do the sales. And while I was in the garage picking stuff, I sold some more stuff. So there's more than however many I said earlier. One that I've already packaged up because I did that last night. That's going to Elizabeth. Hello. If you are a viewer, I think you bought, I'm not sure, but hello anyway. 4 kilos of broken jewellery, which went at auction for £17. So that's cool. Enjoy. There's some tasty bits in there. So have fun. And then other bits, so I've got this retro style T-bar Albert gold-plated Figaro chain bracelet, $14.99. A white Howick yellow cardigan, it's £15. This carved bone Marnie style necklace, £15. A Piplockry herringbone skirt, £19.99. My best sale of the weekend, and I'm super chuffed. It's taken a while to sell, but it eventually sold, and Stephen, you will be proud of me. But I sold the French ormolu for £85. I bought that for £2, wasn't it? Something like that. And that's going over to America, so obviously I am going to pack that within an inch of its life. But not too much, because then it might die. A vintage jewellery lot went for £31 at auction. A European charms lot went for £19 at auction. That's quite a nice one. Didn't expect that, but that's cool. Some retro teardrop pear-shaped earrings, £6.99. A brass chair. Brass little rocking chair. You could put a plant on there, or a doll, or a bear or something. Went for £11.99. Another tartan skirt, wool skirt. This went for £16. Is it going to the same person? No, it's not. How weird. Just because I had like them sell like within short space of each other, I thought it might be the same person, but no. There we go. A fat face, just jersey tunic top type thing, £11.99. A miracle rose-shaped brooch, £9.59. Some Monet rope twist clip-on earrings, £10. A copper bangle, £4.99. A 3p piece pendant with King George VI on it. That went for £9.50. A grey United Colours of Benetton scarf, £10.50. I think we were back and forth on offers on that one. A Lea Sophia pendant necklace, £9.99. A vintage miniature Holly Hobby doll, £23.99. A Sensate ring, £5.99. Going to Regina. Hello, Regina. I think you're a viewer. You buy a lot from me anyway, so thank you very much if you are a viewer. Had all of the placemats, went for £12. A bunch of matching cufflinks, 6 pairs of the same cufflinks, £11.94. One of the purple velvet, not velvet, felt trilbies, went for £14.99. And then I've got a little thing going off to Verity and one to Noah. Hope you love them. I'm going to pack these up now. Yay! Just gone 11 o'clock. Mr. Postman is up there. He didn't bring me anything today. That's sad. He's absolutely pissing it down, and I was gonna go to the post office. I've done my parcels. Mr. Hermes has been and gone, picked up his stuff. The stuff's been in the post box, and they've obviously picked that up now. I've got these to take, which looks like a lot, but it's just there's a bit box on top and there's some more in there. And I'm just watching a bit of Carla. I've had like a cracking day of sales already today. So my Positivity Monday thing is I'm already on £171. And I've only got 13 item specs left to do. So that's good. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to watching a bit of Carla. Just done the post run. It's a lovely day in Bridgend, isn't it? It's always a lovely day in Bridgend. If you recognise, hang on, sort of this kind of view, maybe-ish. Oh, there was a Hugh Grant thing where he played a politician, a very British scandal, I think it was called. But that street there was used as, it's quite funny, to represent Belfast in the 60s, I think. But yeah, they must have seen Bridgend and went, yeah, that looks like Belfast in the 60s. And they didn't even change it that much. Anyways, let's go shopping. mummy a bread. I'm gonna have an egg on toast in a bit because I'm hungry. Gonna see what I got. I won in the Tombola because everyone wins in the Tombola. But I got 2 pencil cases and a Jurassic Park fossil dig kit. So, useful stuff. But things what I did buy to sell, sort of, well, I got a nice jewellery box. It's a wooden one. It's £5 this cost. But it's nice and it's got drawers and foldy out bits. And it's nice.
The drawers work well. Oh yes. Nice walnut.
Yeah.
Or burr, whatever.
Pine.
Pine, yes, it is pine.
It's pine. It's fine, it's pine. But you know, there we go. And then a Joseph set of chopping boards. They're quite well used, but I should imagine still have some kind of, people like Joseph. I don't know why. Probably because it does all of that stuff. But yeah, quite well used, but it was £1.50, so you know. And then so my friend Bianca and her cousin are making lamps out of VHS tapes. And they're gonna do me my Stanley Kubrick one, my Clockwork Orange. And then in the charity shop today they had a load of VHS for £1 each. So I bought 9 of them for them to turn into lamps. So Lady and the Tramp, Matilda, and this one's cool because it's green. So what they do is they take out like the insides, they put lamps in there, and then Bianca paints them. So that one's cool because it's green. And then the Grinch. Is that one? See, that one should have been green. Should have been green. Bambi. Cinderella. Oh, yeah, Cinderella. Sleeping Beauty. The shittest, isn't it? I mean, like most Disney films are. But honestly, she's asleep for the film. She just wakes up. Some guy comes and basically rapes her, almost, you know. Definitely a sexual assault. And then she's like, oh, let's get married. That's not how it works. Dear God. Willow, the Snowman, and the Dark Crystal. So that one will be cool because there's, well, Willow's being remade and Dark Crystal is just always... And obviously Snowman. So there we go. Lovely. So I'm going to have coffee and then an egg on toast. Egg on toast. Coffee. It's still a miserable grey day. So what I'm going to do is polish some silver. Because I quite like polishing silver. So these are things that I'm going to list on Etsy. These are all bangles and brooches. So I'm going to do some of these today. Give them a bit of polish. And maybe a bit of research on them and get them ready to list. And I'm gonna actually do it live. Why not? Well, this afternoon's been a bit busy, sort of. I did a live, polishing some jewellery, but I didn't actually end up doing much work because we were just gabbing too much, but you know, that's the way it goes, isn't it? During it, I sold some wallpaper for £50, and then other things I've got going out, which I'm going to package up now because I might as well, and then get myself some tea, a gold link brooch, definitely not a brooch, that's a belt, for £8.99, a pair of Hotter shoes, £12, a Topshop blazer, £2.99. What can I say? Better than, you know, it's staying there. A key ring, 2 key rings for 10th anniversary stuff, and then also things that I haven't got yet, but a pair of clip-on earrings for £8, a ring for £7.19, and a bangle for £8.99. So yeah, that's all right for today. That'll do. Yeah, anyway, tea time. I'm going to package these up and then show you what I'm having for my tea. So this is my dinner. That's some homemade cottage pie with extra like peppers and tomatoes in there, with sweet potato topping, with some cheese in, green beans, broccoli and cabbage. Yum yum. Dark, dark. Well, I guess that's me for the day. I'm gonna watch some murder documentaries, drink coffee, decaf, and eat a chocolate biscuit. Yeah, and obviously edit this together. So I'll catch you later on in the week. Actually, keto unboxing snack type video probably tomorrow morning, but I filmed that already. But yeah, I shall see you later on in the week anyways. Bye bye now, bye bye.